Hey everyone, this month we'll continue working on our shield. We're gonna create a forming VFX and destroying the shield VFX for it as well. So that's what I've got for the forming. And also we've got this impact as well. So imagine if the shield's gonna lose 20% of its health, we could trigger this sort of effect, and then destroying looks like this. So we're gonna add everything in the blueprints, and we're gonna create particles in Niagara, and also if we're gonna have time we're gonna create that hit effect. If not, I'm just gonna show you how the material is constructed, and we're gonna do textures in Substance. So that would be it for Unreal Engine. And let me now jump to Unity, and in Unity we're gonna have something similar. So we're gonna form our shield, destroy it, and we're gonna have a similar effect for the shield if it loses, for example, 20 or 50%, and we're gonna make those particles as a particle system. We're gonna do some coding in Unity because we need to trigger the shield upon clicking a button on keyboard, and the rest of it we're just gonna create using the animator and the particle system. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one, and thank you so much for your support.